Here I have POCO F7 and let me show you how to change the Gemini language on the following device. Alright, let's start by opening the settings, scroll down, choose Xiaomi HyperAI, tap Gemini, let's choose Gemini setting, and here let's choose the languages. As you can see, in my case, my Gemini is using my main language, so English from United Kingdom, but I can select the second language right here. For example, let me choose Espanol. Let's go back. And this is like the second language for speech only. I can use it, or I can also choose the first main language right here. Tap me restart, and let me now talk with Gemini in the Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, estoy bien, gracias. Como soy un modelo de lenguaje, no tengo sentimientos, pero estoy listo para ayudarte en lo que necesites. ¿En qué puedo asistirte hoy?
Okay, as you can see, here you've got two options to choose your language. You can either select your main language or you can select the other one. Let me now go back to English. And now my Gemini is in English. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.